Hey guys, you are welcome to Real Matter TV. I'm here to give you guys a shocking news about what is going on in Nigeria. At the moment, the Nigerian government are trying to build a railway from Kano, Nigeria, to Niger Republic, which will pass Kano, Kaduna, Jigawa, and the direction is Niger Republic. And they want to spend billions of naira in this project. And the Minister of Transportation, Rotimi Amechi, was in a press interview. They were asking him that what is the interest of Nigeria trying to build this railway? And he said it's the best interest for Nigeria to have a railway to Niger Republic. And so my question is that if we have money, if Nigeria has money in her pocket trying to build a railway that would connect Nigeria with Niger Republic, so how come in Nigeria we have so many bad roads, we have traffic even from the south to east is no-go area? You have to stay a journey that can take you 1 hour 30 minutes. At the end, you will end up in 4 hours because of traffic. If we have this money that we want to use to build this railway to the Niger Republic, then why can't we fix the common things in Nigeria? We are talking about the big things. Why can't we fix the common things? Why can't we build a railway, for example, from Lagos to Port Harcourt, which will pass through Edo, it will pass through Delta State, it will pass through Anambra State, to pass through Enugu or Imo, and ending up in Port Harcourt. Is that a good idea? Is it not a good idea? But we have a government, a group of people. I cannot call this government, because if you go to America, if you go to a lot of civilized nations like Germany, France, Italy, some powerful nations across the world, around the world, you will hear them talking about, we are doing this in our own interest. So why Nigeria building a railway that will lead to Niger Republic? What is our relationship with Niger Republic? What are we going to profit in Niger Republic? Is Nigerians going to Niger Republic? Is Nigeria passing through that road? This is common questions that deserve an answer. Common questions. Okay, why, if we want to build a railway that will connect us to Africa, other African countries, okay, why can't we say, for example, we are building a railway that will lead us to Ghana? A lot of Nigerians are passing through that direction. They are passing through Benin, which everybody knows as Cotonou. They are passing through Benin, and they are going Ghana. A lot of millions of Nigerians are passing through that direction. So why can't this government invest this money there? What is our relationship with Niger Republic? Are they building that railway to be transporting terrorists to Nigeria? Are they building that railway to give Boko Haram a land map which they can be importing their weapons to Nigeria? This is common questions that Nigerians need to ask this government. Recently, everybody are saying, end SARS. End SARS. Yes, they need to end SARS. Of course, they need to end SARS. Illegal arresting of Nigerians, illegal torturing, assaults to Nigerians. And this department need to be end. End it. We don't need SARS. We don't need people who doesn't have logic. We don't need people who are criminals and you want to put them in a certain department and give them arms. These people are animals. People who cannot think like human beings, they are animals. This administration by the APC government, led by the Buhari administration, they are all animals. They don't think like human beings. What concerns us with Niger Republic? What are we going to get from Niger? Niger is a very poor country. And what are we going to get from Niger? What is our interest in spending these billions of naira to build this railway? Niger Republic. This is common questions we need to understand. And when you talk, they get you arrested. When you talk, they will open a case file for you that you are a criminal. You are being involved in fraud, cybercrime. They will tag you in all names, bad names. They understand that they can use to persecute you. Nigerians need to wake up. Let's put the same energy we are putting in Big Brothers Naija. Let's put the same energy in politics. Let's put our eyes, our interest in politics. And I bet you Nigeria will be a better place in the nearest future. The budget of Niger Republic Railway needs to be scrapped. Need to be suspended. They need to suspend it. We don't need it. We need that project, that railway project, to lead us to Ghana, to lead us through Cotonou. What binds us with Niger Republic? What are we going to gain? What is our benefit in building this railway in Niger Republic? Oh God. God, come and help us. But we are not going to keep quiet. We are not going to only pray. We are going to act. We are going to take action. This is the same action this leader of this Biafra guy, Nnamdi Kanu, is taking, speaking with his mouth. And his mouth is more dangerous than a weapon. And they want to kill him. So guys, drop your comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget, together we are going to make a better future. Thank you very much.